Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola G45 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option System. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off all of those switchers, also those from time format. And now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Just go to the right or to the left, it's totally up to you. You can also tap on the year, for example, and scroll to find the desired one. Then tap on this date, I mean the day and the month, and choose it. Just tap on the specific day and confirm it with OK. The same with the time. Just tap on it and now we can choose it from the calendar. So just tap on the specific hour, specific minutes. We can also change from AM to PM, totally up to you, and tap on OK. Then the time zone. Just tap on the time zone, tap on the region and choose something from available regions. Just find one and tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Obviously, the time zone will affect the time. Here we've got also the time format. As you can see, we can only change the time format. We are not able to change the date format. So here we can decide whether we want to use the 12-hour format, which is currently applied, or 24-hour one, just by tapping on this switcher right here, and it will be also immediately set. So this is the manual customization of date and time. If you wish to go back to previous settings, so the automatic options, just tap on this local default here, tap on set automatically and tap on use location and tap on set time automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.